So, in today's lesson, what you little monsters are going to do is go over the history of the microscope again. After you've gone over the history of the microscope, you're going to look at the short YouTube video on what a microscope is. You're going to label the parts of the microscope. This one gives you hints, and this one does not. And once you've done that, you've got two different sets of instructions on biological drawings. Now, first is a really nice one, a very simple one. So you click on the links that I put in, you open up the website, and it will give you a list of what the setup is. And it will talk you through it in very simple terms. So you have that choice. So this is how you look at what really works in terms of getting information. So you've got a choice. This text. I'm not a great one for this. There's lots and lots of writing. So on this website here, they've simplified it down. After you've done that, you're going to do some biological drawings of these plant cells. Now, going back up here and talking through it bit by bit. First things first, the history of the microscope. Done this before, and what you're going to do is recap how the microscope evolved into what it is today. You're going to do this sheet on the history of the microscope. Most of this should be a recap, and that's your starter. Then we have this video. What is microscopy? It talks about magnification and resolution. However, your job, two jobs today, label the microscope, but then follow the guide and instructions on how to do biological drawings. Excellent.